once they buzz in and enter those main doors, they're in our school community. And so that's prior to them even being able to then make their way to the office. Our responsibility here is the safety and well-being of everyone in this building. And so once someone has entry or access into the building, it's a lot more difficult to address an issue if there were to be one. For Prop S, it would add an additional wall of security that would then close the original doors with those doors, and so that would be the entry point. We can screen and further identify the visitor prior to letting them enter that second layer of security. While we are ADA compliant at this time, it's quite an obstacle course, and there's a little bit of a grade and obviously a distance and some curvature that don't make it ideal for persons needing that type of entry.
Prop S would allow us the opportunity to afford to put the proper entryway into Gym A. Whether it's sports or band or choir or whatever, being able to come in, then we would have that simple access for them to do so, and we would be ADA compliant on that side of our building.
We would have the parking, ADA parking, in close proximity to the entry to the ramp, and be able to put in ramps that have easier and more efficient access to the gym.
It would be fantastic to be able to just upgrade what we have there. Very old system. We've had some issues over the past handful of years where it can't keep up with the amount of flushing that would happen at let's say a football game or a large soccer event. So the fact that we do have restrooms is fantastic. They're convenient where they're located. However, they can't really keep up with a crowded night here at an event.
Similar to our athletic facilities, the ones in the building are pretty archaic, and being able to have them, the infrastructure better so that we're not having the flooding and overflowing of the toilets and some things that we experience now.
Our baseball softball facility is it's one facility for both sports. We are one of the very few schools left in the entire, really the metropolitan area, but St. Louis County in particular. Having one facility for both, it really requires us to keep a dirt infield, so the lip that goes from the dirt to the grass is always needing to be maintained, and it's just a hard thing to do. We don't have proper drainage in order to allow for the water to run away, so there's always a thicker lip from where the dirt to the grass grows, and it's not safe. Prop S would be a fantastic opportunity for us to be able to take care of that safety issue.
A roof at an organization as large as this is really not a lot different than a roof at your home, and so it's a matter of taking care of those big important things before they become more problems. And so similar to your roof at home, if there is a leak or there's need for repair there, you not only see that on your roof, but you begin to see water damage on your ceilings, you begin to see infrastructure damage to the structure as a whole. And so that, for obvious reasons, if we can take care of that, obviously, it would prevent us from having those ongoing issues.